when I opened up the cheeseburger.
Hey, Oto, what's the most annoying sound you can make? Keep going, it's so much better than her.
Burger, and they gave me exactly.
I wish life was like in movies. Right now, we'd be going through some crossfade montage instead of suffering through every single word.
That was ironic.
Wait, what are we doing at school? No, that journey was so boring. I thought the whole day I passed, but it's still boring.
Hey, did I tell you about when my brown crayon ran out? Don't worry though, this story has a happy ending.
Does it involve the main character being slowly run over by a bus?
No, I used felted pens instead. True story. Which reminds me of another story. And the thing is, it was my favorite pencil as well.
Feels like we've been walking down this corridor for half an hour now. It's like a superpower. She can distort time and space using only